What's up, everybody? Just coming to you to introduce the Ambi Safety Selector from Next Level Armament. So the drum is made out of titanium. Obviously, you can reverse back and forth. The ears are machined out of 7075 and then hard coat anodized. One has a different length than the other, so you can flip those back and forth, obviously. If you're right hand, left hand, need more clearance, want more, adjustment, whatever, has all that fun stuff in there for you. One of the big things, like I said, you got titanium drum, all domestically milled materials. One of the tiny little upgrades that makes a huge difference is your pin inside of there. So standard safety selectors and the upgraded safety selectors typically come with a little cast piece, or it's zinc dichromate coating on there, so it'll be a gold coating. And what happens after you index over time, that little nub on the tip of that wears out. I know you've seen some of the competitors that spin around complete 360. That gets worn out from using an imported cheap piece of material. So we actually machine these in-house so that doesn't happen. And then we nitride them as well, so they're hard-coated on the exterior. So everything's all upgraded in these things. You're not going to find anything better, all machined in-house. So you get that discount, so get some.